right, one more nail. Alrighty. Now it's time to see how much, if any, collateral damage was caused from installing that shingle. Since we're losing some daylight here, I'm gonna bring out the flashlight. There's the old shingle there. Take a look at it. Hey, how's it going?
All right, man. How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording. Heads up. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Let me just walk him a little bit.
Okay. So let's take an up close look. This is the new shingle that we installed here. If you can see here, granules were removed away. I'm gonna take pictures with the flash on, and I'm also gonna stop by tomorrow so that you can see the amount of collaterals that was caused. Look at this here. You can just tell by how flimsy the shingle is now. Look at this. Yep. Alrighty. So this shingle is not repairable without causing collateral damage, and I'm going to take a photo here. Let's see. This is a night camera.